Hi guys, if you want to learn this edit, see this tutorial till the end and you will learn it. But before we go to the tutorial, subscribe to the channel to not miss any tutorials I upload in my channel. If you are ready, let's go to the tutorial. First, you should take a video like this. We enter our video into the CapCut app and add the video that we want to use as teleport. We divide our main video into two parts. We put the first part in the main part of the edit and put the second part in the third layer, under the teleport video. First, we make the teleport video small by using the keyframe tool, and then we make keyframes at suitable distance from each other and gradually enlarge the teleport ring, and then we go inside the teleport. By using the keyframes, we shrink the teleport ring again. Then we import a PNG image of a yellow light and set it to filter from the blend section. Go to the mask and set it on horizontal and reduce the opacity of the yellow light. We first reduce the image of the yellow light with the keyframes tool, then enlarge it. And we adjust it in such a way that we put it inside the teleport ring. I added another yellow light. It is completely optional to you. I want it to be full of light inside the teleport space. Again, I apply the same changes to this light as the previous light. After putting the blend mode on burn, we slowly increase its opacity using the keyframe. Now we remove the background of our second part video of our subject. I select the subject and go to the mask and set it on horizontal. And by the marks you see in the video, I slowly blind the subject into the teleport ring. I select yellow light and go to the adjust and make some changes on the light of it. For example, from the HSL section, because the color of my light is yellow, I should change the yellow color. And from the graph section, I make some changes in the yellow light to matches better with my edit. This part is optional to you. Doing edit as much as you can to match it with the background better. I put the subject in the fourth layer so that the light falls behind it. I select the subject and adjust the light of the subject to match better with the space around it. For example, I change the color of the subject with the curve section to make it brighter to seem natural that the light shines on the subject. And from the HSL section, and I also changed the concentration of the yellow light from the HUE section. I can't tell you the exact number to adjust it. You have to use the adjust tool as much as you can until it matches with your background. The animation that I use for the teleport ring, for its entrance, I set it on assemble, and for the output, I set it to Kyra Magic. So we arrived to the end of the tutorial. I hope you like this magical tutorial. If you like, subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell to not lose any tutorial.